Listen and practice.
What's the problem?
What's the problem?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
I don't agree.
I don't agree.
What's the Wi-Fi password?
What's the Wi-Fi password?
Just a moment.
Just a moment.
Where's the exit?
Where's the exit?
I'd like to cancel my reservation.
I'd like to cancel my reservation.
I get off work at 6.
I get off work at 6.
What is your favorite book?
What is your favorite book?
Sorry to bother you.
Sorry to bother you.
What is your favorite food?
What is your favorite food?
I'm here to visit family.
I'm here to visit family.
I lost my watch.
I lost my watch.
It's on me.
It's on me.
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
I'm thirsty.
I'm thirsty.
What time is your flight?
What time is your flight?
I've never heard of that.
I've never heard of that.
That's a relief.
That's a relief.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
It's worth a try.
It's worth a try.
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk.
It was nice chatting with you.
It was nice chatting with you.
Can you give me a hand?
Can you give me a hand?
Can I have the menu, please?
Can I have the menu, please?
Is it spicy?
Is it spicy?
I'm a vegetarian.
I'm a vegetarian.
I don't eat beef.
I don't eat beef.
I'll have a coffee.
I'll have a coffee.
It's my turn.
It's my turn.
Who's next?
Who's next?
What's going on?
What's going on?
That's all for today.
That's all for today.
What's your favorite movie?
What's your favorite movie?
What kind of music do you like?
What kind of music do you like?
What is your favorite TV show?
What is your favorite TV show?
Do you like to cook?
Do you like to cook?
Thanks for your kind words.
Thanks for your kind words.
I'm not very good at drawing.
I'm not very good at drawing.
Would you like to join me?
Would you like to join me?
I'm running late.
I am running late.
Let's get together soon.
Let's get together soon.
I don't know how to use it.
I don't know how to use it.
That's too bad.
That's too bad.
It's been a pleasure.
It's been a pleasure.
It's not the end of the world.
It's not the end of the world.
I'll think about it.
I'll think about it.
That's not fair.
That's not fair.
That's true.
That's true.
I forgot.
I forgot.
Where can I find a taxi?
Where can I find a taxi?
I'll remind you.
I'll remind you.
What's the matter?
What's the matter?
I'm here for you.
I'm here for you.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Let's get to work.
Let's get to work.
I really appreciate your help.
I really appreciate your help.
It's not a big deal.
It's not a big deal.
That's interesting.
That's interesting.
That's amazing.
That's amazing.
That's cool.
That's cool.
That's awesome.
That's awesome.
I'm impressed.
I'm impressed.
Good job.
Good job.
That's great.
That's great.
That's fantastic.
That's fantastic.
I'm happy for you.
I'm happy for you.
I'm sorry for your loss.
I'm sorry for your loss.
What did you do today?
What did you do today?
What are you up to?
What are you up to?
Do you want to hang out?
Do you want to hang out?
Can I buy you a drink?
Can I buy you a drink?
What's new?
What's new?
What's happening?
What's happening?
How's your job?
How's your job?
How's your health?
How's your health?
Can I ask a favor?
Can I ask a favor?
It's my pleasure.
It's my pleasure.
You're welcome to come.
You're welcome to come.
Please make yourself at home.
Please make yourself at home.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
I'll take care of it.
I'll take care of it.
Let me know if you need anything.
Let me know if you need anything.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
I'm looking forward to it.
I'm looking forward to it.
I doubt it.
I doubt it.
Never mind.
Never mind.
Nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you.
I'm afraid I can't.
I'm afraid I can't.
That's not possible.
That's not possible.
That's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
I never thought of that.
I never thought of that.
That's worth considering.
That's worth considering.
That's a great suggestion.
That's a great suggestion.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Just let it go.
Just let it go.
Let's agree to disagree.
Let's agree to disagree.
That's a fair point.
That's a fair point.
I see your point.
I see your point.
You're right.
You're right.
I was wrong.
I was wrong.
I apologize.
I apologize.
I'll make it up to you.
I'll make it up to you.
Let's start over.
Let's start over.
Can we talk about this?
Can we talk about this?
How can we resolve this?
How can we resolve this?
Let's work together on this.
Let's work together on this.
We can find a solution.
We can find a solution.
I believe in us.
I believe in us.
I'd like to order a coffee, please.
I'd like to order a coffee, please.
What do you recommend on the menu?
What do you recommend on the menu?
Could I have the bill, please?
Could I have the bill, please?
Can you give me directions to the nearest gas station?
Can you give me directions to the nearest gas station?
How much is this item?
How much is this item?
Do you have the time?
Do you have the time?
Is there a shuttle service available?
Is there a shuttle service available?
How much is the fare?
How much is the fare?
Could you please lower the volume?
Could you please lower the volume?
Can you turn up the volume, please?
Can you turn up the volume, please?
It's too cold in here.
It's too cold in here.
It's too hot in here.
It's too hot in here.
Do you have an extra blanket?
Do you have an extra blanket?
Do you have an extra pillow?
Do you have an extra pillow?
Can you recommend a good hotel in the area?
Can you recommend a good hotel in the area?
Please be quiet for a second.
Please be quiet for a second.
I can't think straight.
I can't think straight.
Do you have any available rooms for tonight?
Do you have any available rooms for tonight?
I'd like an aisle seat, please.
I'd like an aisle seat, please.
I'd like a window seat, please.
I'd like a window seat, please.
How much luggage am I allowed to bring?
How much luggage am I allowed to bring?
Can you help me with my bags?
Can you help me with my bags?
Could you please make it spicy?
Could you please make it spicy?
That's so annoying.
That's so annoying.
I'm exhausted today.
I'm exhausted today.
What are your plans for the weekend?
What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm going to a party.
I'm going to a party.
I love to travel.
I love to travel.
I love to meet new people.
I love to meet new people.
I love to try new things.
I love to try new things.
I'm lost. Can you help me find my way?
I'm lost. Can you help me find my way?
What's the best time to visit England?
What's the best time to visit England?
Can I rent a car here?
Can I rent a car here?
It was nice meeting you.
It was nice meeting you.
Let's keep in touch.
Let's keep in touch.
Keep learning. Thanks for watching.